Did you know that a simple clogged drain can escalate into a costly nightmare? Ignoring slow drains or gurgling toilets might lead to severe sewage backups and property damage, including serious water damage. Let's explore how to prevent these issues. At Neighborhood Plumber, we don't just treat the symptoms. Our team tackles the root cause, ensuring your plumbing issues are resolved for good. Stay tuned to learn about our innovative solutions. Our high-pressure hydro-jetting technique ensures a deep and thorough cleaning of your pipes. This method removes stubborn blockages, leaving your drains clear and efficient. With advanced camera inspections, we accurately identify problem areas, allowing us to address issues precisely. Plus, our trenchless technology repairs pipes without disrupting your landscape. Justin shares his experience with our professional and reasonably priced repairs. He appreciates our prompt service and detailed explanations, making us his go-to plumbing service. We have many 5-star reviews from other satisfied customers that you can check out live on our website. We offer competitive upfront pricing with no hidden fees. Our fast, reliable service comes with a satisfaction guarantee, ensuring peace of mind for all our customers. Call us today for a risk-free drain inspection and experience the Neighborhood Plumber difference. Together, let's keep your drains in top shape and avoid those costly future repairs. Call us today.